In this video, we're going to have a first look at Excel's Binom.dist call. Okay, and here is the setup. So let a salesperson call 10 clients in a day. And let's have those clients be independent of one another. That's required for binomial distribution. Let the odds of the salesperson making a sale with any one of those clients be 30%. Question: what is the probability that 4 out of her 10 calls in a day will result in sales? Okay, so we're wanting the probability of exactly 4 successes out of 10 trials. And our odds of success for each trial is 0.3, or you can write that as 30%, whichever you prefer. Once I've denoted all of that, I can now use Excel's Binom.dist call to go get these odds. So number of successes is 4. That's in B9, so I'm just referencing that. I could also just type in 4 if I wanted. I prefer to cell reference. I prefer to define my parameters above in case I want to change them later. But again, you don't have to. Okay, so there's the 4, and then next is my number of trials, which is 10. Next is my probability of success, which is the 30. And finally, I have to put in this cumulative term, true or false. Now, I'm going to put in false. Another way I could also write this is to actually type the word false all in capital letters. They're both great. They both mean the same. This we'll speak to a lot more later, true versus false. Now, for now, all you need to know is the following. In the case where we want exactly 4 successes, or an exact number of successes, put cumulative equal to false, or put in a 0 right there. Again, we'll speak more to that later, but for now, that's all you need to know. When you want an exact number of successes, put a 0 or false right here. And that gives us 0.200121. Okay, and that was the Excel call I used. So that's roughly 20% chance that she's going to have 4 out of her 10 calls result in sales that day. Okay, thanks for watching.